Have a look. Here you can see magic dice, precision dice for Barbut. This is magic plate. So now with these two dice, regular dice, you can buy it from any shop, but with this magic plate, you can play Barbut. Now winning 6-6, 6-5, 5-5. Let's try. Oh, winning. One more time winning. 6-3. One more time winning. 5-3, one more time winning. 3-2, one more time winning. 3-1, one more time winning. 6-5, and now losing. 4-2, one more time losing. 2-2, you lose the money. One more time losing. 2-1, you lose the money. Now I will show you. This costs 20 euro. Inside have microchip and it's working by mobile phone, by Siri or by Bixby. 20 euro this.